Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at something kind of different for us. This is a 2011 Chevrolet Camaro Callaway. This is a real Callaway supercar. This was actually my wife's car. I bought it, then I actually sold it to Ralph, who's kind of become an internet sensation. Everybody, when they grow up, wants to become Ralph. Very good customer of ours. He's had the car for a little while, and he's got bored of it, and we took it right back in on trade. But gorgeous car. These are very limited production cars. If you call Callaway, they'll tell you they built less than 100 and more than 50. They will not give you exact production numbers. This is I think one of the coolest ones I've ever seen. It's why I actually bought it for my wife. It's got the power window hood, which I love that option, with the chrome supercharger. I think that's like $4,000 option right out of Callaway. It's finished in, this is the original Summit White with, it's got the black leather interior. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. 8,100 miles on it, guys, so there's not a whole lot that I can really pick on the car. There's a couple of little stone pecks. I purposely didn't even have the guys touch them up so you can kind of see that. But other than, you know, that, it's really hard to pick the car. The car's gorgeous, exceptionally fast. It's got the 6.2 liter fuel injected engine in it. It's 543 horsepower, 498 foot-pounds of torque. The car was actually tuned at Window Motorsports. We have the documentation for that as well. Again, very limited production. This is a supercar. These are the cars in the future that everybody's going to be trying to get, guys. It's got the RS, it's an SS car with the RS package. Again, I've got all the Callaway paperwork. That all goes with the car. You can see it's got the carbon fiber trim on it. This is, if you want to pick something, you can see this is like a decal, and it's, you know, coming off a little bit, but that's what you're nitpicking. This car is slick, guys. Great car, extremely fast. They are fun to drive. I'm not much for newer cars, but I can tell you this car draws some attention. The people who know what these things are, they get very excited when they see them. Little rub mark there. It's got Corsa exhaust. This is a Camaro, a 9-spoke wheel package on it. It's got the 4-wheel disc brakes. This is just the, don't think that's the, I don't know what to call it, that cover that they actually put on it to make sure that they don't chip and stuff there. 8,100 miles. And easy miles, I can tell you that. My wife did not drive this car hard. Again, I saw one of my favorite things about this car. I love the chrome supercharger, and I love that power bulge hood. I've never seen another one with it, guys. I've seen 2011 Callaways, a couple of them. I've never seen one with these options. And they're right in the sticker. They were ordered right from Callaway like this. Again, it's got all the carbon fiber trim kit on it. And again, I'm an old car guy, so it's hard for me to kind of tell you what these things came with and what they didn't. But super car. Power windows, power trunk release. It's got the custom premium sound system in it. bucket seats, console. I love the gauge package because me and old car guy, they did this gauge package around like what a 69 Camaro would have been like. It's got a custom Kenwood sound system. That's all push button. If you guys watched my videos before, I'm not much for radio, so hard for me to figure out how to operate that. But the car's brand new. Beautiful car. There's your Callaway emblem on there. Again, it's all Corsa, dual exhaust, got a great sound to it. Car's never been hit, banged up, nothing. Clean Carfax. Here's extra mats for it. It's got all LED lighting, which is cool. These are for the shoulder harnesses. Here's your Callaway books that it all came with the window sticker and everything. Mess that up and have you put that back, Jay, before we shut this. You slide that stuff back in there. I can't do it with one hand. The Callaway paper, I just don't want to get all bent up. Nope, nope. See that one thing's hanging out? Oh, yeah. Just don't want to get all bent up. Shut it. Slick, slick car, guys. If you're looking for something very collectible, very rare opportunity to own one of these cars. Again, this is just the little, whatever the plastic stuff they put on there. I don't know if we've ever even had anybody in the back seat. It's got the, what do you call it, for the, on the steering wheel. Yeah, I love the gauge package. It's got the short throw shifter in it. I did put a new battery in it, had the original battery in it. We took it out just this week. It's got a brand new battery in it. Air works, everything works on the car. Love that hood, man. I just think that's an option that just people will always go crazy for. Again, not only is it a limited production car, it's got, you know, very cool options. That's what I liked about it. Gauges, 8105 on your odometer. Again, everything works. And this car will run. I love the marker lights. I thought they were super cool. I had no idea how that thing all works. I know it's got Bluetooth. Yeah, it's all push button stuff.
Can we do the wipers or not?
No, the wipers all work. Air works. Everything works. Thought the headlight package was cool on them. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a wicked car, man. Have a great day, guys.